My name's Oliver. I have a restaurant in Franschhoek called Bovine. We are primarily, obviously with the name, meat focused. I got asked to do the Feed Mzansi campaign. Basically, it's for a good cause. And it's about giving back to the community and doing something positive out of a normal day, which always works well in my book. We are doing a roast chicken stew. Looking at the brief, I needed to do something that was hearty, that was wholesome, that was filling, full of nutrients. It fills them up, it gives them the energy to get on with their day, and also no child should go to bed hungry. That's the idea at the end of it. Biggest tip when it comes to food and grocery shopping, always make a list and take the time to have a look at specials. Food Lovers Market in general is great on special offers. The amount of combo veg deals, the meal deals where you get your proteins, your starches, your vegetables all combined into one. They've got the deals on that make it affordable, which is the most important thing in today's times when it comes to grocery shopping.
This is Lungi's Kitchen Services. I would say 6 community kitchens and 6 communities: Danonu, Joslovo, Phoenix, Summer Greens, Guguletu and Kailija. We have ±1,000 children that we feed daily and less than 100 seniors that we feed daily. We also came up with a strategy to provide food parcels, because you'll find that at night maybe they don't have anything to eat. So the food parcel also assists in terms of for them cooking for themselves, you understand? Eventually then Food Lovers came on board and assist us with weekly food provisions. And the food provisions that we receive from Food Lovers is quite nice because it's nutritious foods. Our children, you can see now even their behavior, their well-being, you see the change, you see now the smile, you know, the laughs on their face. They are healthy, they are active, and we have even introduced the sports, the football club and the netball club. It's not about food, it's not about funding, it's about the love that I have for the people. I feel for the people because I've been there once, not to have anything to eat, so I know the pain.
So when it comes to good nutrition, and children in general, you want to give them enough energy so that they can get through their day. They can play with their friends, they can concentrate at school. Happy children are going to concentrate and they're going to do what they need. They're going to focus more and they're going to do what they want to do, and they'll do it better if they're full. Today's a prime example of how to feel good on a Monday. Meeting with Lungi, listening to Lungi, and then today at the Summer Greens Community Hall, seeing the little kids' faces, it's heartwarming. Like it's a nice thing to see. It's very rewarding.